This is a really beautiful morning. Today I'm at Singapore Botanic Garden, especially at right now I'm at the Healing Garden. So this is a really beautiful place and a beautiful morning. Today I'm here to look for some birds to photograph. So especially there is one blue and white flycatcher. Hopefully I can shoot some photographs. Otherwise I will look for some other birds. So in this area is very good for the photographing some birds. So there are lots of birds. This is a 161 years old tropical garden, and also this is the heritage site. Now I'm gonna walk around and look for the bird. So let's see. Yeah, that was cool just now. So I managed to shoot the blue and white flycatcher. So it's very beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.